Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, "We have lost the fullness of our noble character. And what is character? Highest sense of honor and the highest sense of integrity, conviction, incorruptibility, readiness at time to self-effacement for the collective good of the nation." Speech at Muslim Legislators Convention, Delhi, 11th of April, 1946. About founder of Pakistan. Born, the 25th of December 1876 in Karachi. Died, the 11th of September 1948 in Karachi. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a lawyer, a politician, and the founder of Pakistan, and also first Governor General of Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us.